The standard use of the VLOOKUP function is to find an exact match. Oftentimes we have an employee name or something very specific that we want to make sure that we're matching and pulling information from somewhere else. But there are instances where we want an approximate match. So let's go through and look at an example. In this case, I have a list of salespeople. We have their monthly sales and then their commission rate. Depending on where their monthly sales falls is going to be what their commission rate is going to be. So again, there will not be an exact match. If I look at 99,926, it will fall within a range of these. This is where the approximate match part of the VLOOKUP function comes in very handy. So I'm going to go to the commission rate. So I'm going to use my VLOOKUP function. And my lookup value will be the 99,926. My table array, I'm going to be pulling from E and F, my sales, and my rate. With VLOOKUP, I'm going to use, this is considered column 1, and this would be column 2. So my column index number will be 2. And then I'm using the approximate match, so I will use true rather than the false. And that's going to give me then a 5% commission rate. So if I look at my 99,926, that would fall between these two, but the sales would not be quite at 100,000, so my commission rate would be 5%. So I can check to make sure that that value is correct. If I want to carry this down for the rest of my salespeople, I can select that box, go to the bottom right-hand corner. When I see the plus sign, I'll double click and it'll carry that down for all of my employees. And I can spot check any of my other employees to make sure that everything is coming through correctly. So for 63,000, that would also fall at the 3.5. That would fall at the 3.5% rate. So a nice easy way to use the approximate match function within the VLOOKUP whenever I'm not looking for that exact precise match.